Are you in the market for a family home or investment property in one of the best suburbs in the country? Of course, I'm talking about Katy, Texas. Well, today is your day because I have a brand new listing for you. Hey, this is Jaleesa McLennan, your Houston area real estate agent, and welcome to 5843 Drybrush Place in the master plan community of Katy Crossing. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home was built just over 2 years ago and is still under some builders' warranties. This has just hit the market and is being offered for $339,000. So let's check it out. This barely lived-in home offers about 2,300 square feet of living space and has an open concept plan. As you can see, the main living area is bright, airy, and spacious. Check out the kitchen area. Talk about space. Get on my interest list below for some images offering staging ideas for this property. So let's check out the top floor. On the second floor, we have 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Now this is special. Check out walk-in closet number 2 in the primary bedroom. I see potential for setting up a glam closet or perhaps a nursery or office. But whatever you decide, with this space and with the window bringing natural light, you have a ton of options. let's see what we have for outdoor space. So as you can see, we have no back neighbors. The property is fully fenced and comes with a sprinkler system. So what did you think? You know, at the asking price of $339,000, and if we assume a 5% down payment, we're looking at a monthly payment of about $2,600 per month. Now, I've been assuming a 6% interest rate with these calculations. However, if we've learned anything this last year, is that there are always ways to get deals on interest rates. So the 6% we've been using in this calculation, in my example, is not cast in stone. So feel free to reach out to me for more details on the breakdown or for information on no down payment loans for veterans, as well as down payment assistance opportunities for first-time homebuyers and special category workers. For investors, I want you to take a note that this home was actually recently under lease for $2,600 per month. However, if I look at the comps, rent is actually going up this year. Now, before we head out, let's take a quick peek at the community. In the last 6 months, homes in Katy Crossing was selling for about $183 per square foot and took anywhere from about 30 to 50 days to get under contract, which actually is the average in the Houston area right now. The HOA is $600 per year and covers the cost of maintaining the common areas, such as the play area and community lake. Residents of Katy Crossing enjoy a property tax rate of 3.1%. Now that's really good, because if we think about some of the nearby communities, the property tax rates in those communities are 3.6 or 3.7%. So at 3.1%, there are great savings on your property tax bill in Katy Crossing. Kids living in this community are zoned to KTISD schools, which are some of the highest rated schools in the state of Texas. From this area, you're less than 15 minutes away from grocery, from parks, shopping, restaurants, entertainment venues, doctor's offices, and so much more. Okay, so from the front door, we're about 45 minutes from downtown Houston. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the traffic can be tight during rush hour. However, there are various road works going on right now to help improve the situation, so we should see a relief in traffic in the near future. You know, it's never a hardship to tour beautiful homes and communities, and I've really enjoyed showing you this amazing family home in the city of Katy, Texas, where you have easy access to Houston, shopping and entertainment. You're zoned to incredible schools. Additionally, there is no beating the value for money you get by investing in a community like this, where we've seen home values increase by more than 30% in the last 2 years alone. So if you'd like more information about this home, feel free to reach out to me by phone, by email, by text, or you can book an appointment to talk to me using the link in the description below. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications button, because there'll be more videos to come just like this. I love hearing from you, so please like, comment, let me know what you thought about the video, let me know what videos you'd like to see in the future, or just send me your questions and comments. Thanks so much for watching, and take care till next time.